Do you need some extra help or advice with your coursework? If so, you can book a one-to-one consultation with the English for Academic Studies Centre. It's a great way to get feedback and helpful advice on, for example, your writing or a presentation before you submit your work. You can choose to meet us online or in person, whichever is easier for you. Before you book, think about the kind of support you would like. For example, do you need help understanding your assignment brief? Do you want feedback on your essay or report structure? Or maybe you'd like guidance for giving a presentation. We can support you at any stage, from first ideas to almost finished drafts. Here's how to book your consultation. Step 1. From the student portal, click on International Students, scroll to English Language Support, and then select Book a one-to-one consultation and choose a time that suits you. Step 2. Email us a draft of your work, if possible 24 hours before your meeting. This gives us time to prepare feedback so you can get the most from your session. Step 3. Come along to your consultation. Together we'll review your work and help make it more effective. Book your EASC consultation today. We're here to support you in your studies.